People walking into Johnson County's public health clinics couldn't always get a very good idea of how much time their visit would take. If the waiting room was full, the front desk could only give them an estimate. During the weeks leading up to the start of school, when parents typically bring their kids in for shots, patients would sometimes wait 2.5 to 3 hours to be seen by a health professional. Chris Loomis, who manages the clinics, knew something had to be done.
The people come first, right? Our community comes first. And I know that as a community member, I would expect that from my health department, doctor's office.
Chris saw firsthand the success of the QLIS system at the county's motor vehicles offices. What happened next shows how Johnson County government puts the pillars of performance into action. Chris immediately realized the public health clinics could use a QLIS system of their own, so she did some research and got pricing. As soon as the project got the go-ahead from the executive team, she collaborated with Amanda Thompson on implementation. Their work resulted in this: a new QLIS system that the public immediately embraced, with written comments like this.
I expected my wait to be an hour, and the QLIS system kept me updated, and it was actually less time than I expected.
People can now go to the JoCo.gov website or download the QLIS app to their phone and get in line from anywhere. Estimates of wait times are much more precise, and text updates allow clients the freedom to do other things besides sit in the waiting room. They can even ask the system for more time if they're out doing errands. Gone are the days when people would come to the clinic, see the long wait time, and then leave.
The clients are staying and getting their services here rather than walking into an emergency room or an urgent care center for services they can get here for a relatively cheaper cost.
The QLIS system isn't only saving people time and money, it's also giving them more privacy.
We used to have some questionnaires that, they're going to ask some questions that people may not be as open to answering when someone's watching them circle something on a sheet of paper, and that's how we used to do some of those questionnaires.
Now, the answers go straight into the system. No one can accidentally see them on a piece of paper. The employees here say the culture of Johnson County's workplace lays the groundwork for constant improvement.
We're here to provide services to anybody who walks through our door, and so reducing our wait time actually increases the amount of services that we can offer to the public.
This 21st century solution to lost time in the waiting room is a Pillars of Performance success story showing Johnson County values at work.